Good afternoon from the Middle Fork River in Audra State Park, Barbaro County, West Virginia. What a beautiful river here. It's a cloudy, drizzly day that makes the hemlocks and lush rhododendron along the banks really stand out. And we've got beautiful cascades here that feel just like they're washing your worries away. And beautiful blue-green, crystal clear mountain water here in the western Alleghenies in West Virginia. This site is only 100 miles south of East Palestine, Ohio, where a lot of chemicals were released into the air and water recently from the horrible trail derailment. And it is incredible to think about how quickly such pristine, clear water can become polluted and inhospitable to wildlife and people, which underscores just how important it is to preserve our water resources, looking at a pristine setting like this.